Cameraman, go and position elsewhere. Cameraman. Thank you, sir. Cameraman, please.
Mine's all right here. Good. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Are you good?
No.
Huh?
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much, Excellency.
Thank you very much. It is a very great honor and privilege to welcome my brother Muhammad Idris Déby to visit to discuss two main important items. The first being the security challenges that we are facing in this region, particularly the Chad basin. The MNTJF Joint Task Force is responsible, put together to face the challenge of terrorism and banditry in our region. The two countries is a borderless resolve to combat terrorism and fight them, eliminate all acts of terror to our people, and ensure we maintain the sovereignty of our two nations. We have agreed on joint responsibility. We've come a long way. What we have inherited from our forebearers is to ensure peace and stability for development of our region, to ensure that our people can trade, commerce, and moving resolve in one uniform. A tiny geographical separation and the language is not a barrier. It's an opportunity to fight terrorism and develop our people for prosperity now and for the future. That's basically what my brother and myself have discussed today. It is a joy and honor to welcome you to Abuja and give further assurances to our people, the people of the region, including the Nigerian Republic, to combat